Joy Ma Kamakhya. Hello everyone. Today I am sharing with you a very simple spell that is for attracting money, and it's based on the law of attraction. So are you tired of hearing about this law of attraction working for others, but you have yet to see the success? Have you had limited success with manifesting money, but what you really need is something that works miraculously? So today I'm going to share a very easy, tried and tested and a super successful way of manifesting money with using two very simple ingredients. So we all know that money is important to all our lives. Everyone needs money for surviving, or even, to have luxury in life, or to take care of things. Unexpected expenses are arising up nowadays. आज के दिन में बहुत सारे लोगों से सुनने में आता है कि पैसों की प्रॉब्लम है, या किसी को अगर कर्जा बहुत हो गया है तो उन्हें तकलीफें आती हैं. आजकल की जो स्थिति और जिस हालात से हम सब गुजर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को पैसों की तंगी और पैसों की परेशानी हो जाती है. अगर मैं आपको कोई ऐसी आसान सी और बहुत ही असरदार उपाय अगर मैं आपको बताती हूँ, तो आई एम श्योर यू विल ऑल बी रियली ईगर टू ट्राई इट एटलीस्ट फॉर वन टाइम. सो हैव यू हैड एनी limited success with manifesting some money, but what you are actually looking for is something to bring you undeniable results? If so, then you have come to the right place at the right time. So today is the last day of July, and we are going to step into the month of August, which is abundant August. It's the number 8 on our annual, the month list, and 8 is also a sign of infinity. It is a sign of abundance and manifesting miracles. So today I am going to share a very simple, easy to do and a short way of manifesting money. इस वीडियो में जो मैंने आपको उपाय बताया है वो बहुत ही करामाती और असरदार उपाय है. इस उपाय को नियमित तौर से करने से आपके जो पैसों की समस्या है उसका समाधान आपको ज़रूर मिल जाएगा. इसके लिए आपको बहुत सी चीज़ों की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें लगेंगी आपको. फर्स्ट इज़ यू नीड करेंसी नोट. एक 100 रुपये का नोट है मेरे पास. अगर आपको ज़्यादा बड़ा नोट यूज़ करना है तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, और अगर आपको छोटा नोट यूज़ करना है जैसे 10 रुपये, 20 रुपये या 50 रुपये का नोट, वो भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. Another thing that I have and which is the super ingredient with me is the cinnamon incense sticks. ये आपको बाज़ार में नहीं मिलेंगी, आपको सिर्फ मेरे पास ही मिलेंगी ये. तो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में ये सारी चीज़ें आपको डिटेल में बताई हैं. अगर किसी को इंसेंस स्टिक्स खरीदनी है तो दे कैन कॉन्टैक्ट विथ मी, and I will guide you on further usage also of these incense sticks. ये जो cinnamon incense sticks हैं बिल्कुल ही ऑर्गेनिक है, और इसको मंत्र किया हुआ आपको मिलेगा. तो लक्ष्मी के मंत्र से एनर्जाइज की हुई incense sticks हैं. So you do not need a lot of fancy ingredients, but what I do have is a set of crystals. Now this is the abundance set which I have created. This is green aventurine, this is clear quartz, this is pyrite, and this is the tiger's eye. Now this crystal Ganesh ji is citrine, so that is also a stone of manifesting money and abundance, and Ganesh ji is the remover of obstacles. So what we will do is we will start with a prayer to Ganesh ji for helping us remove obstacles to money. Om Gang Ganpataye Namah, Om Gang Ganpataye Namah, Om Gang Ganpataye Namah. Om Gang Ganpataye Namaha. Now I have used 5 incense sticks. Anytime you use incense sticks, it has to be in odd numbers. So you can use 1, you can use 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. I like using 5 cinnamon incense sticks because it really smells divine, when I light them and use them. So first we will remove any blockages that may be there on the money, on your money. So you can say something like fine plethora clouds windfall bonus with speed. That is a switch phrase for inviting money. You can say divine magic begin now. You can also say Om Gang Ganpate Namah, and just let the smoke go on to your money. And then we are going to put this on the अगरबत्ती स्टैंड. ये अगर आपके पास ऐसा स्टैंड नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, एक दूसरा वाला स्टैंड जो मिलता है वो आप ले सकते हो. अब ये जो नोट है इसको हमें, ये जो अगरबत्ती का स्टैंड है इसके नीचे रखना है ये नोट को, और इसके ऊपर हम अगरबत्ती रख देंगे. तो इस तरह से हमने ये नोट के ऊपर ये अगरबत्ती लगा दी है. अगर आप चाहें तो एक अगरबत्ती से भी ये कर सकते हो, लेकिन द थिंग इज दैट द मनी, द इंसेंस स्टिक्स हैज टू बर्न back to back. So now I'm sure many questions will be arising in your mind. How it works, how soon can I see results, what if I take a break in between? So let me get all of that out of the way. So it's a 7 days ritual, and in case if you miss out one day in between, you can start over again, but that would be like a day 1 for you. So the intention here is to keep the incense sticks burning for 7 days. Okay, and this spell uses the power of incense magic. So you must keep the incense lit at all times. But if you do need to step out, or if you have a job, then you can safely just leave your home and make sure that someone at home is lighting the incense sticks for you. Leave the money, the currency note under the incense sticks at all times. Don't remove it until the 7 days are over. And then you can start over again. If you want to do it for another amount of money, you can do that again. Many of you must be thinking, how long does it take to manifest money? So this spell is based on law of attraction, so the results will differ. Definitely your efforts for this do matter. So the more you are doing the incense sticks, the more you are putting your efforts, and the more regular you are with it, the better the results for you. Also, many of you have asked whether you need to say any prayer or any mantra while doing this ritual. So when you're lighting the incense sticks, you can say money affirmations like money comes to me easily, abundantly, effortlessly and miraculously. You can say money, money, money come to me in abundance 3 times 3. You can also say switch phrases like fine plethora, clouds, windfall, bonus with speed. You can say switch numbers like 1122 5701. The best switch word or the switch phrase to say would be Shrimbrazi 1996211147. That is a magic number for attracting money. 897 is also a number. So continuously you can say 897. You can say 414 8188. All of these I will share with you in the description of the video. And just remember that the incense sticks have to be burning back to back. You cannot let the incense stick stop. If you are at home, just do it with one incense stick, that's okay, but you need to keep the incense sticks burning all the time. And one very, very important thing that you must always keep in mind when you're doing law of attraction spells is not to think about the problem, but you need to think about the solution when you're doing this. एक बहुत ही important बात मैं यहाँ पर कहना चाहूँगी कि जब हम ये सारे स्पेल्स करते हैं मनी के, उसमें जब हम स्पेल्स कर रहे होते हैं तभी आपके जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उसके बारे में आप ध्यान न दें, लेकिन आपको जो उसका आपको रिजल्ट चाहिए वो आप उस पर फोकस ज़्यादा कीजिए. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर बीइंग कनेक्टेड विथ मी, and I hope to see a lot of success stories with this video. So I wish you all the best and a happy and abundant August. Joy Ma Kamakhya.